Hello guys. Are we live right now? Let me check. Okay, I think we are live. Yes. Yup, we are live. Okay. Today we are going to be taking a live trade. Fine. Okay. So this is the kind of setup which I am hoping for, and I am basically just waiting for this setup. Okay. We are perfectly live. And where were we? SXRP USDT. This is going to be at what just happened. Actually, what it just happened. I don't want to actually play it my camera, but what just happened? Okay, no problem. So I just forgot to screen share. Let me just share my. Okay, now you guys can see my screen. Now this is going to be our trade, and this is a 1:4. This is a little bit. Yeah, yes, confirm. Okay, now this is 293, and this is going to be our order. If price comes to this, price has to sweep this low down here. Once it sweeps and comes onto this order block, it's going to reverse and till the buy side liquidity, which is here. So we are going to be taking this trade. Okay, now what we are going to be doing is till then price comes, and also if we look, it's very bullish. Honestly, if I look here also, today XRP is very bullish. Last night it just jumped like from this this much. I was hoping for kind of sell position, but it went till here only and then reversed, so I just took out over here. So this was a winner trade, but still, if I show you, I'll show you guys this. See this. So this was the XRP trade. You can see, but my margin was less, that's why also. Now my margin is a lot, and also our risk to reward is very high, and our daily kind of bias is also good. We will look onto the daily bias also. Let's look onto the 1 hour. If you look, price is very bullish. Price is going to come till here and then jump to the upside, and I'm waiting exactly for that moment. Yep, price is definitely heading that side. One of my Solana trades is also uh, going on right now. If you see over here, now this trade I took was on chart patterns. Now many people say when this is formed, price should go to the upside, right? When W pattern is formed, price should go to the upside. No, it should come down. That's how our patterns work. On the textbook I read, and if the mem pattern is formed, price is going to go up. till at least if M pattern is formed like that, price will at least come up to this mark. But now I don't use patterns. Now I only use normal like strategies SMC ICT. Now I don't use. Okay, price is coming in hot till here. Let's wait. Okay. Till then you can see what's my kind of strategy. If you look here also backtesting. If you look at this backtesting here, what I have done basically is I wait for the liquidity sweep and then when price comes to the order block, I place my trade. So it's kind of like that. And yeah, this is a less change, but if you look actually, here how much change we are hoping for 1.46. And usually when I look at the change over here, if we look, not here, sorry, here, let me remove this everything. So if I actually zoom out of it and kind of look at it like this, I wait for the change of character till here first, then I get a very big kind of target. If I show you, if I would have, if change of character happens over here, I will place my trade right over here. My SL will be this much and my target will be literally, I'll show you how much, till here or till here. That's a 3% change and 1 is to 8, which I hope for. But we are not looking onto that right now. I'm looking onto small patterns. If you look here, not patterns, small movements. So I'll show you on the 30 minutes. Let me show it on to the 30 minutes. It works on every single time frame. I'll show you the strategy. Okay, price may come in and just touch our order over here. Now, how have I used it? Look at this. Oh my god, what is done? Yeah, now it's correct. Now look, what I am hoping for here is that when price was making a lower high, lower low, what I did was I saw a market shift, and when I saw, I marked the liquidity sweep will happen here and the order block I marked. So now what should the price do is should come down to here, sweep this liquidity right over here, and bounce off of this till here till the buy side liquidity. So I'm hoping for that, and price might just touch our thing, and let's wait. Because there is a order block here also, but price mostly just comes till here if you would take this order block. It will not help you. The thing that will help you is this. How many people have joined? One person. Okay, no problem. Actually, zero people. But they will regret this live stream if this prediction will be correct. They will regret this live stream. Why didn't I watch? Even though I'm doing paper trading, but my predictions are very correct. I'm actually doing the actual trade on my phone right now. It's I will show you after if it is successful. Till then, let's just wait. I'll show you what will be the balance left, what the balance will be left equity when this trade will run. Right now it's not showing up. If we lose, we are going to lose $78. If we win $300. So yeah, price is not heading down till now. Yeah, if you see, market was making lower high, lower low, and then when it did a market shift or a change of character, I just made this setup. I would say just mark the setup out. If you want to trade, then just trade with a small amount right now. Okay. When I say buy, then you guys start to buy. Okay. Here there is a short position onto here because there was a obviously market shift happening here. Price will come till here I think again and then going to go down. I don't know about that. Solana, I just know about this right now because I have done the prediction here. Let's actually look onto prediction of Traders Union over here. This is a good website. We should look at it right now. My god. Let's look onto it. XRP, and we run that in. Still not hitting our buy limit. Okay. This one will click on. Close the previous tab. Uh, yeah. See, 48-hour prediction is this, but I think maybe right now only we'll be able to do that. See if you look at this 2.0251. Let's check. Let me just show you guys what is our target 2.0207. So yeah, we gotta wait, but most probably our this target will be hit. How much are they saying? 5-1, which is no 0251. So 02 is here, so 51 will be here. So a little bit above our target, but that's not the buy side liquidity. So a little bit difference is there, but mostly right. Today we are going to hit. I think how much we are going to hit today. Let's look at it. This is the thing that I don't like about this. When we now another candle we are getting. I hope it's a bearish candle. Nope. Right now it's a bullish candle, but I hope it's going to be a bearish candle. I'll till then check some few. Okay, yeah. I'll check out some things. Okay. I'll practice some trading over here. So I think I should explain you the strategy also, so that if you don't believe right now that okay, there's an advertisement, no problem. So this strategy works on every single kind of time frame. Even if we look on the 30 minutes time frame over here right now, there's going to be different picture here. But if you look at this, price is making lower low here also. But if you look, there is such a big imbalance in the market. If you look over here, so many imbalances. So there is an order block right over here. So at some point of time, meaning right now, price when it hits this, it's most probably going to go till about here. I'm very not sure about it, but I'm very sure about till here. See, 7-day prediction is 164. 2 point, oh my god, till here. So I'm just telling you guys till here. So you guys just see that how accurate I am. We are just waiting for this trade. Till then, I'll let me show you. Okay, so this is just a choppy market right now. If you look, yes, there is a kind of trend over here, which is a current downtrend, and because there is a break of structure right here, so we're going to take this high. Sorry, this high for our no, this is a bullish candle till now. Okay, we wait for the price to actually come above this, otherwise it will not be a change of character. Now this will be our requirement for change of character. We wait for the price to actually do that, which price hasn't done. So we wait this for the change of character requirement. Nope, not yet. Now we'll take this. Yes, now this is a change of character right over here if you look. Now this will be, where was our change of character? Okay, here. So this is our change of character right over here. Now let's mark our valid order block first of all. Now because there is literally market will, now if we look at this candle, we will not take that for now. We are going to take the this candle. And the fact that I know is that price is going to sweep this low right over here. Okay, so I for the fact know this, that when price comes here, it's going to sweep this. So according to the situations, we are going to make our move. So for that, we wait for the price to actually come till the order block first of all. There we go. So now we got that sweep over here. So I said we should wait. We should not just place our position. Now if you see, both of these lows are swept actually. Now if there would have been a kind of this, look at this. I am trying to say, if there in this, there would have been kind of this like that. So we would have marked our inducement here. But now because there is no kind of thing, so price will obviously sweep this. So now we see that the bullish candle is formed after this. When that bullish candle is formed, we keep like that and we make it kind of a big stop loss. Now this is because obviously we're making it on the kind of 30 minutes time frame. And also let's try if we can keep it, let's keep it below the green candle. Let's try that, but I should keep it below this. But let's see what happens to the price. See, I should keep it below here, as I said. But let's see now what happens to the price even though. Okay, price does not respect that. No problem. Nobody's live right now. Okay. Now if we look at this again. No, let's not look at the long term structure. Let's look at a short term structure first of all. This, and this. So we're going to wait for this. Let's wait for a valid change of character. Then only we can say that price is going to. Yeah, now I think it's a valid. Yes, it's a valid change of character. Now, if you see over here, from where we are going to take the thing is the lowest most point. We're going to take a trade from this point. But before that, what will happen is that price is going to sweep this. So we wait for the price to actually come down over here. And now first let's wait for the sweep. Now you get the sweep. Now you wait for the actual price to come above the sweep. Okay, we're going to wait for it to come at above the blue line, not below, but above the blue line. We're going to wait it to come. Okay, it came. We make our position. Okay, let's make it here only then. Well, this is not supposed to be like that, but I'm not going according to my plan right now. See, I'm not going according to the plan. But if you see that. Now you wait. I don't know if I marked the correct buy side liquidity. It should be around here something, yeah. No, I think we were correct essentially. It's lagging a lot, guys. Yep, we hit our target. See that? That is 1:2.7. Now if you look over here, price, you will say that price also went over here. So yeah, you could have taken the entry over here also. I'll show you. You could have just taken the entry over here. Where was that? When price, yeah, here. You could have kept that entry and put it just below this. No problem in that. You could have done that same thing. Now, when price came back to the upside over here, if you look, then we do our entry. Essentially, we look, this also is swept. In every case, this is swept. So we wait for the correct time and price just hits our target like that. Yeah, simple. I'll show you one more example actually. No, price has still not hit our kind of buy limit. Okay, let's look at another example over here. Now, if you see over here, let's look at this only. Let's look at this area first of all. Now, let's make it clear first of all. Uptrend, it is an uptrend, right? So, we look at that. Look at this. There was small market shift, and then price has just gone up. Now, if you look over here, there was a market shift, you guys would say here, right? Because this is a break of structure. So it is valid market shift. Of course, you would guys will say. You guys would say. So now you would say that, right? So now price has literally swept that. Now people will start thinking that price is going to go up. Still, it's going to go up. No, now because price has swept this. Okay, even this it has swept. Now, if we look at that, if we were also buying there, we were swept, right? So now what we do? What should we do? So actually this is the actual one which is swept, so we wait like that for the price to come below it. So you wait for the price to come below that area. Oh my god, it's lagging a lot. But I think we are not going according to our plan right now if you look. Because if you even look over here, price, okay, this is wrong structure mapping right here. Still going up, no problem. Now this is wrong structure mapping. Now let's zoom out of the chart for a second and then look at the chart. If you see over here, till here if we look at, this is just a normal pullback. We look at that, it was just a normal pullback, not a complex one. So if you look at that also, no, definitely this was the thing. Now if you look over here, this was the thing that this was a market shift. Yes, this was definitely one. If we look over here also, if you look at this, now price was up here, so you could have taken your short positions above here and kept this stop loss just above there and till the buy side liquidity, which is still here, but price didn't come till that. Let's see what does the price do. Price takes out your stop loss, so buy side liquidity, actually we should take it till the next swing, which is right here, even though we missed some part of it. Still, how much change have we? Okay, 2% is quite good. Now still not here. Okay, so if you want to catch big moves, then you can do that. That's no problem. But if you want to look at smaller moves, which is essentially what I do, so you can just go into the 5 minutes, and because here you can easily, like in less amount of time, you can easily just see here. This is up, down, and then here, and then here. So we will be waiting price to cross this. I know we are turned on 6 candles at a time. Not a change of My god. Price is actually not coming to this area. At this point, I think price may be even going to sweep this, and then our stop loss hit, and then price is going to go to the upside. I'm thinking about that, but I don't think so that's going to happen. Let's look at this. Okay, where? Oh my god, I just missed that point. Okay, this. Now it's definitely a change, and what we do is we mark out our order block first of all, number one, which is going to be the offmost point over here. Let's take this as our order block, whole thing as our order block. Let's mark that, and our thing that is going to be swept is this. On higher time frame, it's a kind of thing that you need to be absolutely exactly right, because on the higher time frame you're not going to see any liquidity sweep with the body closing, because you are just going to see a wick. But you should know that that wick is also a kind of liquidity sweep. What is happening? We started on how much date? 18th, so 2 days already covered over here. Price is not even coming. Oh my god, it might just come up to that point. Let me just shift onto the 4 hour for now. Okay, now it's closer. So we come back to the 5 minutes once more. And if you see over here, first of all, liquidity has been swept away if you look at that point. And now what we do is we just make a short position from this point, keep it not just above. I would say you make at least 500 points, at least I would make. And buy side liquidity, is this the buy side? No, 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 such a big target, but let's try that. 1 is to 10 it is, but now see, it almost hit our stop loss. Now if you were see here, definitely it swept this also, if you see that. So I would say liquidity sweep, let it just happen easily, and then we take the trade. I would say that is the best thing. Now see here, buy side liquidity must be just around here somewhere. Yup, so it must be here. I just zoomed it out and then saw. So yeah, that's also 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3. You always need to aim at least that much. So what I should do is, because I know price will sweep this, I know about it. What I should do is wait for the price to come at least here, shift my target, actually buy limit first of all, shift it to here, and then shift this to down here, and I shift this to here and confirm. And once that's going to be confirmed, okay, that's confirmed. But our buy limit, let me push it a little bit around here. Now confirm. Perfect. Now it's modified. So price will come down to there. It's going to sweep this and then going to go to the upside. Yes. Now I think it might be correct. Okay, now actually look at some examples. Let's go on to the 15 minutes. Let's look for a change of character. 30 minutes of live stream done already. Very nice. So, can we take this as a valid? Yes, we can take this as a valid zone. So, okay, let's go with four candles at a time. No problem in that. See, this is all internal. We are going to be looking for external liquidity. We're not going to be taking internal liquidity if you look at that. Let's take this. Did we go? This is just a wick, or we go? If we went past it, I don't know. Did we go past it? We have to go past this. No, this was just a wick over here. Still not. Still not. Oh my god! Still goes above. So the hardest thing is to look for a change of character. Number one. Look at this. Solana trade is going definitely very well. But I set this target up like in the morning at 10 a.m. in the morning. But we have gotten only this much result. Oh my god. We are aiming for around this much. Very less result. This is also a kind of thing that price has never tapped into this zone. So that's the thing that's going to happen. So guys, shift your buy order. So number one, I need to buy limit over here. Then you go and set your target to. Oh no, target can be made bigger. Oh, I just didn't see that part. Target can be made around till this point. That's $350 if you look, and we can make this till, yeah, this is also there. Now this target is bigger. Confirm that, and we wait for the confirmation, and we confirm. And now we are on 1:4.7 risk to reward. So our stop loss is same, but our take profit has gotten bigger. So just wait, I would say. And if you see that price is coming near to your stop loss, let it go through. But if you see that price, if you want, you can actually make your stop loss bigger, because sometimes that there will be one single big candle wiping out your stop loss and then going up. That has happened multiple times with me. But I'm going to leave this same. So if you want to trade with my kind of thing, same, you can trade. No problem in that. So 2.0189. Let me look at 1.189 it was. So 10 it is here. So we might be right. Just right, I would say. Now we have a market shift, I think, over here. Yes, we have it right over here. Now what we do is we wait for the kind of liquidity sweep now. Perfect. So we wait for this to be swept. Now I think we are doing the right thing, and we make a short position and we keep it kind of here, and we keep a kind of stop loss very big. I will keep. Let me just see when price comes to that point first of all, because I want to see the price to come till that point, and then we are going to be able to see that where is the sell side liquidity, not buy side here. Now you see here, see, yeah, go down, yeah. So that's how you're going to see your trade play out. Now look, it went a little bit into my SL. It went. Look at that. It went into my SL. Okay, let's look at this also. Okay, now this is accurate. Now if you still look, still went into my SL. So we could have just shifted it a little bit up, made our target bigger till here. So, but this is absolutely how it should play out. This trade is pretty good. This was our sweep. So we are just playing with liquidity sweep. That's it. We are not playing with anything in this model. It's a very simple model, entry model, and yeah, pretty simple. If you look, we have set our stop loss how much here? 0.37 point. Yeah, 37%. So now even if I put it to 0.37 here, 3938. Yeah, 35 also if I put that, it has not taken out my SL. So now And another reason is why it goes after the kind of thing is why it has to reverse every time. Why after here? I'll show you why. Oh, you just look over here. Okay, oh, this is the highest point. Okay, then it's okay, okay, okay. Then we cannot find anything from the back. But I was going to say that there is always a order block like price has visited in the previous area and price when it hits after the kind of thing and then it goes down. It's like that. So yeah, we wait for the liquidity sweep and then we hit our target. That's the kind of thing. So this was, I think, Bitcoin all time high. Yes, yeah, I think that is the thing. It's 26. Don't feel like it went. I think it only went till around 24. I don't know. I think it went till 24. I didn't see it going 26. Maybe it went 26. I don't know. So it's going to be like that. If you have any doubts, I would refer a channel to you, guys. So discount trader. Where is that? Yeah, I think this channel is very good. It has a lot of strategies. Look at this channel, and it has a lot of strategies. You can see actually at these strategies, they are pretty good. I'll show you one. I have downloaded two of his videos, and the one I'm using, I'll show you. Let me decrease the sound. Number one. Which one is the strategy I am using? Let me speed it up till here. Market inducement. Is this the one I'm using or the other one? Let me check. I don't remember which one I. No, this is not the one that I was looking at, but this is also a very good one. I don't know from where he brings these many strategies, but these are pretty good strategy. I would say he's a genius person. Go on to his channel. He has a very nice channel. Now, if you see, what is the person doing? Oh, what is the thing he is doing here? Let me look at that. Now, if you see, this is the case with him. Now, if you look at that, so the leg which has the market shift, he's looking at that leg. So let me look what happened with us. Oh my god, this is just every time. Oh, as I said, from here it will come down. So let me check what happened in our case. Now look at this leg only. So if you look at this leg right over here, so if you would have even taken your kind of order block here, it wouldn't have worked. In his case, it's kind of like that. But I would say you wait for the liquidity sweep first of all. This is the best I would say you, and you wait and then you go. But his strategies are amazing, I would say. Yesterday I tried these and it definitely works very nice. See here, look at this video actually. So making lower lows, low rise. Okay, then price goes till here and then does a market shift, structure shift, or a change of character, and it goes to the upside. So if you look over at this leg, he is looking at. So inducement, he's basically saying this. And in his case, price just goes up from here. In from the half of the order block. But in our case, it's not the thing that is happening. Actually, ignore this order block because this order block I have just told you. But if you ignore that, change of character happened here. Okay, we are looking in the bearish kind of scenario, but every scenario is the same. There's nothing different in that. Even if you take this as your order block, you will be stopped out over here, like here, over here. Even if you take it. You will be stopped out, I'm saying. Don't use that strategy in the bearish scenario, I would say. Price is not actually coming into our area, but let me try it. What he says. So price is going down, down. Let me just zoom it up. I think he's taking smaller, small. Like this is not a kind of small thing he's taking. I don't know why. We check. But he has a really good channel, I would say. If you say, he would say this is the kind of thing. This is the order block. No, no. Actually, what he's doing is, let's take the market shift over here. See, this is a market shift if you look. Now we are looking into bullish scenario. So if you look onto here also, if you take this even as your order block, and if you take this as your inducement, okay, if you take that and you take a kind of long position from half of the order block, keep this just below the order block, aim till here. That's what he's trying to kind of like say. I'll see if that works. Okay, it's just the inducement right now. It's not our order block. Order block, even if we take till here, this part, still not tabbed. Don't know if it's going to tap in or not. Or I am doing it wrong. Okay, let's see now. Wait. Even if you look at this, see, you will be stopped out. Even if after that, if you look, I would say you will get stopped out anyways. Here, if you look, because already that order flow is there and already that's done. So I don't know what he's trying to say. Let me listen to this video actually carefully. Actually,
Market structure shift. We never think about long trades. Now let's talk about the order block on the 1 hour time frame. In this chart, the order block is not a single candle and not the last bearish candle. It is a consolidation zone where price paused after the bullish shift and smart money accumulated buy positions.
okay, he says that where there is consolidation, that zone you need to look for. Let me just do Control Z. Where did the consolidation happen actually? Let me see that. We are here, right? So at this point, we did that. So he said, look, market structure, if we look, shift, if we take a look, I would say it happened right here. So in this, like if it happened, so we look for consolidation zone, right? He says it was not single candle here, it was multiple candle. And even if we look onto here, and he took some extra part if we look of this. I mean, yeah, it could have been done. Let me just check. He took at the 50%. And if we keep it just below the previous swing, let me check where he keeps his
Clearly
SL.
see that price stayed in this
Yeah, he keeps it near the previous
one
swing.
deep individual.
Yeah, so I think it's also correct. I don't know about this. Let me just see. So this is the buy side liquidity, but price didn't go definitely till that point. If you look, you will be stopped out. But till the next swing, if you look, then it's well and good. Yeah, 1 is to 3 is achieved there. Price is actually not coming down. Let's look at one more example. Let me just check if this I'm using correctly or not. He said it's the consolidation zone where there is one or two candles same. I think that's, yeah, that's the obviously consolidation. But the thing that I'm thinking, let's take this as our, okay, this is a, okay, then we are going to take this because that's a BOS. Perfect. Now price has done that. Now which one do we take? as our consolidation. Should we take this as our consolidation? Sorry, our order block or consolidation, both he said. So here also there is consolidation if we take look at that. If we take a look at that, but here also if we look, there was a kind of consolidation zone. So we can take a look here also, and if we see, definitely here inducement will happen. So if we put kind of sell short order here, the half of this order block, and we keep it just above here, we wait for the price to tell us or show us where the kind of sell side liquidity is. Okay, so we wait for the price to actually return till that point. Actually, I think price will never return to this point. So because this was all time high, I think after that just okay. This was a kind of news scenario. That's why it was after an tariff news this happened and all. Let me just see if there is someone. No one is live, yeah. Let me close this. Let me open because there only Bitcoin is there. We want to look at XRP also. Let's have a look on XRP. Let's have a look. Let's take a Coinbase only. Let's look at that. No man, still price has not come. Let's take a kind of look. This is live right now, right? So we just go back to any part of the chart and I just do this. Now if you see there is a small kind of market shift. If you look, this is very small part of it. Like this. If you see, this is market shift, small market shift. So what do we take here? We take the consolidation as the person said. Wait a second, let's look at big moves. Yeah, let's look at that. Then price should take out this. Let's speed this process up. Price should take out this low right here. And it's going to be impossible. Can't it be any fast? Oh. Yup. We. No. So we didn't get this. Yeah. Okay, so if you look at this zone where there is consolidation, which is ideally here, but let's look at this. There are too many ads on these websites. That's the thing. If you look at the highest most point here, there is consolidation here. I know that's the case. There is consolidation here, which is used. Was that order block is mitigated order block. So let's take here because there is consolidation a little bit. And let's take our inducement here. Now let's wait. Make a short position at about this point. Keep our SL like not that much higher. Oh, in this case, we need to keep it that much high because this is a higher time frame. And buy side liquidity, let's target at least this. And let's see. Let's see what the price actually does. No, not yet. Price hasn't still reached our goal. Either I'm doing it wrong, this whole thing can be our thing, and then this area can be the inducement. I don't know. This can also be the inducement, right? This thing, when price goes above it. But no, I don't think so. It will be like that. This website is just a little kind of this, but if you look, price never came. Price has wait. Let me just let's let it run. Oh, till here prices never even come till this point. But the thing is that I'm looking over here. Where is was the consolidation at? If you look, this is a consolidation zone. Definitely, this is. So let me just have a look over here. Look. So here, definitely, this was a kind of consolidation zone. If you look at that, and 50% it's aligning up. This is our inducement. Sell side liquidity till here. That's targeted. Let's try it one more time. Let me just go till anywhere, and let me just come and pause it over there, guys. So let me just come and pause it. Guys, I'm playing some background music.
Tiempo más puede estar solo. Seres queridos nunca regresaron a mi industria nacer. Mi industria nacer. Y no sabía al nacer, al nacer, al nacer, no sabía al nacer. Tiempo más puedes estar solo. Seres queridos nunca regresaron a mí. No sabía tiempo más puedes estar solo. Seres queridos nunca regresaron a mí. No sabía tiempo más puedes estar solo. Seres queridos nunca regresaron a mí. No sabía
So guys, I think we missed our chance over here, because according to me, if we will follow that rule, what is going to be the thing is that our order block was here. Okay, there was kind of, I played there also. So the thing is that our 50% order block here, and our thing to sweep would have been here. If you look at this, guys, this was the thing that needed to be swept, and our target would have been this much, and our stop loss would have been this much. Let's quickly enter the market with a buy side, and let's go with market right now, and let's, yeah, $2,000, and click on buy currently, and let's set our TP to the here upside, and let's set up our SL, obviously this much. Now I need to set it, confirm that. Now just wait, let's see what the market does. Guys, $7 profit live. It's still running now. Immediately we're in profit. And guys, keep trailing your stop losses also.
Quente, essa tá quente, que a parada mais pra frente. Vem, não dá dente, segura, mas tá. Dança, todo mundo fica. Quando ela dança, todo mundo fica. Quando ela dança, todo mundo fica. Quando ela dança. Essa tá quente, a parada mais pra frente. Vem, monta, segura, mas tá. Emocional, marovo, plantação, belo, vou viver na minha vida nação. E na fonte dos tu casa, te dá dia, não na fonte dos tu casa, te dá dia,
Pourtant c'est qu'une gamine, mais comme elle s'ennuie, ce monde la fascine. Moi je voulais m'en aller.
When skies have fallen down, and I still could stand my ground. No fate, you tried me.
quente. Essa tá quente, que a parada mais pra frente. Vem, não tá dente. Segura, mas tá. Quando ela dança, todo mundo fica. 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 Quente. Essa tá quente, que a parada mais pra frente. Vem, não tá dente. Segura, mas tá. Emocional, mas não vou contar sobre. Vou viver na minha vida da sua. E na fonte dos tu casa. Te dá dia, não fonte dos tu casa. Te dá dia,
Elle veut tout volume, pourtant c'est qu'une gamine, mais comme elle s'ennuie, ce monde la fascine. Moi je voulais m'en aller, et ce depuis autant d'années. J'essaie de faire le vide, souvent sourire, de faire le tri.
ओके गाइस, हाफ 50% बुक कर लो यहीं पे, बुक 50%। Guys, trail your SL now. Start trailing your SL also. Guys, close 30 more percent. Okay, so you closed 50% earlier, now close 30% now. Now close 30% and let the 20% leave and till the target. Set the target for that 20% also. Now close 30% for now. 50% earlier you closed, now close 30% and then leave 20% for the target. Okay, guys, $95. Close 10% now and leave 10% for the target. Okay, guys, $125. Do not book that 10%. Wait for the target now. Okay, guys, close 10% and exit the trade. Exit the trade. Exit the trade and close position. Okay, guys, closed. Okay, guys, it was a fun journey today, and our target is about to be hit actually. But I closed the trade as I also told you. Close the trade, so you guys must have closed the trade now. Look at this, $134 profit. We are up, and I told you guys to close the trades, and I hope you have closed the trade. And yeah, but we were about to hit our target, so if anyone would have held it, so that's also no problem. But I would say close the trade here because I've also closed it right now. So actually we entered very late according to this model I was going. See this. So according to this model only I went and made profit, I guess, today. So don't forget to follow Discount Trader, even though he's not sponsoring me, nor that's my channel, nor that's my channel, I'm saying. So it's his channel. He's a very good person. I don't even know who he is, but I'm just saying it's a good channel. So go on to his channel, you will get bunch of strategies and you guys can just go on to that. And even though if you don't know SMC, but still you need to know. But even if you don't know, you can easily like get to know about it very easily because he explains everything in detail. Even though his videos are just 5 minutes, he explains the full strategy in 5 minutes. That's how great of a person he is. Now if you look here, let's just let this trade run and let's see if it would hit my target or just till here we have closed the trade. So let's see now if it hits my target or not. But I'll now mute and I'll play some music and you guys can just see.
Spotlight shine bright all on me. Got the internet talking like, who is she? Whole world watching, they about to see that I can manifest.
Perder no teu olhar, no silêncio quero ficar.
Okay, guys, we have got a kind of strong bearish candle, but I am hoping that still price is going to hit our target, regardless of that strong bearish candle we got. But now I think we are going to still go to the upside, because if you look, but spinning top is also known as a reversal candle. So I don't know if this turns into a kind of bullish candle, then we have a chance that price may hit our target. But regardless, I have told you where to close your positions, and I hope you guys have closed your positions right there. And if you haven't, you close it right now. Okay, guys, now there is less momentum, because if you even look here, there was a bearish order block. If you look, so we should have keep the target till about here. So according to that, yep, we have completed. But if you look over here, you still have a chance that liquidity sweep will happen. Of course, that happens. So we still have a chance for that, and price may be bullish still. But I am hoping that price hits our target. Otherwise, we have booked our profits. So I would like to just end the live stream over here on this point. On this point, actually. So I would like to just end the live stream over here. And if you see, our list was very less, and our target was very high. With 2% change we have got, and 238 pips we have got easily. And this was our target, and booked our profit today of $134, 150 we could have booked, but yeah, booked that much. No problem. That's well done, our order. Yep, that's a well made profit today. So I'll now stop the live stream, and yeah, so let's just end the live stream. And don't forget to check out Discount Trader. He's a very good kind of person who about in trading. So you guys just go onto that channel. And officially we have made our live stream to 2 hours. And it's in the next one. Till then, peace out, and never stop trading. Just trade, keep on trading. Goodbye, guys. Meet you in the next one, which next live stream I'll be doing is next Friday. So yeah, or maybe this week. I will try my best. I will come on the same time at 6 p.m. Okay.